Are you tired of dealing with the constantly clogged bathtub drain? Introducing the Silicone Bathtub Overflow Drain Cover, the ultimate solution for a hassle-free bathing experience. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of using this innovative product. Let's dive in. The drain cover is designed to prevent hair, debris, and foreign objects from clogging your drain. Its flexible silicone material creates a tight seal over the overflow drain, ensuring that nothing unwanted goes down the pipes. Furthermore, this drain cover offers a touch of entertainment and comfort for your kids. Its soft silicone surface creates a pleasant cushioning effect, making your bath even more enjoyable. Say goodbye to discomfort caused by hard, cold metal drain covers. Furthermore, this drain cover offers a touch of entertainment and comfort for your kids. Its soft silicone surface creates a pleasant cushioning effect, making your bath even more enjoyable. Say goodbye to discomfort caused by hard, cold metal drain covers. It's available in a variety of colors and styles, and the Silicone Bathtub Overflow Drain Cover allows you to personalize your bathroom decor. It's a vibrant pop of color that adds to the mix. And that's not all. It is incredibly easy to clean. Simply remove it and rinse it under running water and it's good as new. No more spending hours trying to unclog your drain dealing with costly plumbing repairs. Whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or a frequent traveler, this drain cover is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their bathing experience and maintain a clean and functional drain. It's a small investment that brings immense benefits. So why settle for a clogged drain and an underwhelming shower? Upgrade your bathroom with this drain cover and enjoy the benefits of a clogged-free, high-pressure bathing experience. And your kids will love it with the extra water in the tub. Be sure to like, hit the notification button, and subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you for watching and happy bathing!